We're honored to show you around the 2020 Canyon Star. The Canyon Star continues to be the most luxurious gas coach in the industry. It's also Newmar's most versatile coach. We'll begin our tour in the cockpit, which welcomes you with 6-way power-adjustable captain's chairs. Standard side and rear view camera displays allow you to drive and park with confidence, while an available Rand McNally navigation system guides your path with turn-by-turn directions. You'll love the Bluetooth-compatible Sony audio system, which is connected to 4 custom-tuned JBL speakers, perfect for listening to your favorite music or audiobooks. Next, we'll move into the Canyon Star living area, where you're invited to kick back and relax on the comfortable flex steel furniture, which has been redesigned for 2020. All furniture is covered in luxurious ultra fabrics, offering equal parts elegance and durability. Here in Floor Plan 3722, we see a jackknife sofa with stylish nailhead trim, positioned across from the available theater seating. Many other furniture options are available to suit your lifestyle, like storage ottomans, recliners, bunk beds, and more. For your entertainment, Canyon Star presents you with a retractable Samsung LED TV and a Sony Blu-ray player, as well as a Bluetooth-compatible Bose soundbar. A second overhead-mounted TV is also available, as shown here. One of 2 available Wi-Fi access solutions allows you to stream TV shows and movies or browse the web. The Canyon Star on our tour features Orleans decor fabrics and luxury vinyl tile flooring. Other eye-catching touches include the recessed living area ceiling with glazed wood trim, the backlit hardwood slide-out fascia, and the wall sconces, which are new for 2020. In the Canyon Star kitchen, you'll discover tasteful design and smart functionality. Polished solid surface countertops surround a stainless steel double bowl sink, and the stunning new backsplash is a highlight of the space. Shown here in Harbor, the maple glazed hardwood cabinetry features mitered designer doors, soft close drawers, and redesigned hardware. Offering up plenty of storage for your kitchen essentials, Floor Plan 3722 is also equipped with dual pantries. The appliance suite seen here features a recessed range with a solid surface cover, a stainless steel convection microwave, and an available Whirlpool refrigerator. You also have the option to add a dishwasher. Floor Plan 3722 presents you with a midship bathroom, complete with a 40-inch by 30-inch shower, a polished solid surface vanity, and a linen cabinet. The rectangular stainless steel sink, which is new this year, lends a touch of style. Behind a wooden pocket door lies the master bedroom, where you're greeted by a plush pillow-top mattress beneath a leather-bound headboard. Upgrade to the optional Sleep Number adjustable mattress for even more comfort. You'll also find a second LED TV and Blu-ray player. The bedroom in Floor Plan 3722 boasts storage in the form of a 6-drawer dresser with a shirt wardrobe, plus a second wardrobe with sliding mirror doors. For your convenience, a laundry station can be added. The 2020 Canyon Star is available in 9 floor plans, ranging from 34 to 39 feet in length. This particular floor plan, 3722, measures 37 feet and 11 inches in length and includes 4 power slide-outs. The Canyon Star is built on a Ford chassis and powered by a 320 horsepower Ford V10 engine. Our exclusive full paint masterpiece finish, seen here in Orleans, adorns the outside of each Canyon Star and is made possible by BASF and industrial finishes. A one-piece molded fiberglass roof is standard for 2020 and adds to the Canyon Star's sleek look. With LED accent lighting and motion sensing technology, the Dometic 9100 series power side awning makes it easy to enjoy the great outdoors. And the available outdoor entertainment system grants you an LED TV and radio, perfect for hosting friends and family. Canyon Star offers 2 distinctive floor plans to match your lifestyle: the wheelchair-accessible 3911 or the toy hauler-ready 3927. In the 2020 Canyon Star, you'll always enjoy the perfect blend of luxury and convenience wherever your travels take you.